Which of the following statements is incorrect? The cube of 1.1 is 1.331. 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1. 1.1 into 1.1 is 121, 1.21 into 1.1 is 121, 121, 1331. 3 decimal places, 1.331. So this statement appears to be correct. The cube root of 0.00064 is 0.4. Or take 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4. It should be 0.00064. Let's try this. 0.4 into 0.4 is 0.16. 16 2 decimal points into 0.4 is 0.064. So cube root of 0.64, so 0.064 is 0.4, not 0.00064. So this is incorrect. This is the answer choice we are going for. And let's evaluate the others. The cube of 0.08, 0.08 into 0.08 into 0.08. 0.08 into 0.08, 8 into 8 is 64, 4 decimal places, 00 into 0.08. 64 into 8 is 512, 6 decimal places, 0.000512. This again is correct. 0.12, the cube root of 0.001728 is 0.12. 0.12 into 0.12 into 0.12. 12 into 12 into 12 is 1728. 0.12 into 0.12 into 0.12 will be 6 decimal places. It will be 0.001728. This is also correct. The only one that is incorrect is this one.